4 tips for navigating the immigration process. Immigrating to a new country is a major undertaking. You'll have to go through an extensive legal process in order to earn the right to work and live in the country of your choice. These tips will help you overcome common obstacles for new immigrants. Dragoman Language Solutions offers expert translation services tailored to your needs at every step of your immigration journey. Our services include providing certified translation, notarization, authentication and apostille of your family and travel documents, as well as assigning an in-person certified interpreter to accompany you at the immigration office, public notary, passport police, bank or any other required government office. First and foremost, keep your paperwork organized. When you meet with your immigration lawyer for the first time, you'll probably need to bring some key documents, such as your birth certificate, a copy of your passport, educational transcripts, and more. The specific documents you need will depend on the visa you're applying for, so make sure to check in with your immigration lawyer for a detailed list. Keeping all of these documents organized throughout the process can be challenging, especially if you're handling a large stack of physical documents. To avoid losing documents, use a scanner to create PDFs. Here are the steps to combine multiple pages into one PDF so you can keep all your documents in one file. Find employment. Perhaps you need to have a job offer in hand in order to be eligible for the visa that you want, or maybe you're applying for a student visa and hoping to get a part-time job to cover some of your expenses. Alternatively, you might not need a job offer for your specific visa, but you do need income to support yourself upon arrival. Talk to your immigration lawyer about your employment rights in your new country, and consider connecting with an employment agency for help with your job search. Secure housing. Finding housing as an immigrant can be tough. Some landlords may be hesitant to rent to people who are not citizens or long-term residents of their country. You can make your search easier by booking short-term rental accommodations before you arrive so that you'll have a place to stay while you search in person. Do not put down a deposit for accommodations you haven't personally visited. An online listing that sounds too good to be true could turn out to be a scam. Cope with homesickness. After arriving in your new country, you might find yourself craving the comforts of home. Sometimes, connecting with other people from your home country can help soothe this ache. To make friends, My Little World of Traveling recommends joining online groups for immigrants and expats. You can reach out to the group members to find others in your diaspora. You could also plan for weekly phone or video calls with your loved ones back home so that you can stay up to date on everything that's happening in each other's lives. While meeting up with other immigrants from your background can help you adjust to life in a new country, it's also important to push yourself out of your comfort zone. Embracing what your new country has to offer can help lift your new spirits and remind you of why you immigrated. To pull yourself out of a rut after moving, Megan's Moving recommends settling into a daily routine as soon as possible for the sake of your physical and mental health. You can also start exploring your new neighborhood and other areas of your city and going to local events. Maybe you've dreamed about immigrating to a particular country for years, or maybe you're hoping to relocate out of necessity. No matter your circumstances, you're probably feeling overwhelmed by all of the tasks ahead of you. With these tips, you'll be able to keep your chin up throughout this difficult process. And thanks to Dragoman's translation, you will overcome the language barrier. Guest author, Naomi Johnson from lifebasedbusiness.net. Photo via Pexels.